Can we skip to the good part?
Get your dog ready for a walk and then act like you forgot them.
She literally stopped at the same time. Oh.
Let me sit this ass.